we can go about inserting email templates, you have to actually create an email template first. There's two different ways to create an email template. First way is directly within the Riva side panel. In the email templates feature, there's a button called create an email template. I'll click on that to create a new template. The experience of creating an email template is very simple. First, you just enter in the subject of what the email template is about. Next, you can enter the contents of the email and the body. To help you personalize the email template, we offer several tools. First, we have integration into our Riva bookings feature so that you can insert booking links directly into email template. Next, we have support for merge fields. Merge fields allow you to personalize email templates when you're sending it to another person, or maybe you're utilizing an email template as part of an email burst or as part of a cadence. For example, maybe I want to start off by saying hello recipient.firstname because I want to personalize this email. I'll simply insert first name's merge field and it'll be inserted directly into the body. If I want to add any attachments to the email template, I can click on the clip icon and select an item that I want to insert. I could have gone and drafted the contents of the email from scratch, but to reduce friction, I'm going to utilize Riva's Copilot functionality to generate an email for me. If I want to make sure that the email generated contains my signature link, I can make sure that this checkbox is checked. And just like that, a brand new email has been generated for me. If I want to make any changes, I can simply make it shorter, more formal, simpler, more casual, or I can request Copilot to improve the email any other way. If I'm happy with this email, I can click on Insert. Finally, I can save and insert template. And you can see that the new email template I've created also got saved under My Templates. The second way to create an email template is directly within the Riva portal, which is a separate browser experience to complement your experience in the Insight side panel. To access the Riva portal, I can click on this Manage link. The next way of creating email templates is within the Riva portal. I'll click on Create Email Template, and this will redirect you to the exact same experience that you saw in Outlook.